Digital product passports are a way for stakeholders to view sustainability data for products so they can make informed decisions on which products they wish to use, and how to use, repair, recycle them responsibly. These digital product passports are required by new European Union legislation, and affect industries such as batteries, electronics, fashion, furniture and more. Accessed by a QR code, the digital product passport provides real-time updates to consumers about the product's life cycle. But more than simply a manifest of data, a well-implemented digital product passport provides a product experience to customers, inspiring them with branded content and keeping them as loyal consumers. Tokenizing digital product passports on a blockchain gives companies advantages over other approaches, including fulfilling the requirement to have data persist about the product in the case of unforeseen insolvency, change in economic conditions, or withdrawal of the product from the market. Companies should begin preparing to implement digital product passports. In order to gain internal support, get customer feedback, and test pilot projects, consider a three-phase model for implementation. First, prepare for digital product passports because it's the right thing to do from a sustainability and social perspective. In this phase, consider identifying pilot products, gathering product data, and tokenizing a handful of digital product passports. Once the pilot projects have launched, see how the sustainability messaging resonates with your customers, employees, investors, and other key stakeholders. Next, implement digital product passports with the intent to better access Millennial and Gen Z audiences. These younger audiences value companies that share their values, and high on their list are those brands who espouse sustainability and social impact. With your pilot digital product passports launched, add a customer experience layer to engage users as they access your passport. In this phase, continue to test and refine your pilot digital product passports to ensure a cohesive experience for customers. In the final phase, scale digital product passport implementation in anticipation of impending EU legislation. Or, if in a non-EU country, finalize implementation in anticipation of the eventuality of fast follower legislation, such as the California Consumer Privacy Act, which followed after the European Union's GDPR. In the prior phases, you've initiated pilots, tested them with customer groups, and refined their implementation. In this phase, expand the products you've included in your digital product passport portfolio by integrating with your product information management system or other enterprise workflow software. Continue to monitor usage and use the digital product passport touchpoint as a brand marketing touchpoint to communicate with your customers. Finally, plan for data assurance and governance by outlining audit workflows to ensure that your product attribute data is high quality and accurate. Using this three-phased approach, companies can develop internal learnings around their digital product passport implementations to not only make sure they're compliant with forthcoming legislation, but also to do the right thing in terms of environmental sustainability. Learn how to implement digital product passports with a phased approach and start preparing now at piconext.com.